We're heading over to Heritage Lakeside. It's a gated community. Sometimes they have a community-wide estate sale, but today it's just one residence. So we've got the directions. We're looking for a couple of streets. I forgot the name of it, Granite Park, but we do have directions and we're heading that way right now. And I'm using a dash cam. It's a 1080 dash cam. Right now I'm just using the VGA setting on it. And we're heading down Elk Grove Boulevard and we're going to turn on, I'm not sure, Four Winds maybe. And then it's going to be a long drive over to Granite Bay. Make a couple of turns. Now, I don't know what we're expecting really today. They didn't have too many pictures on the internet to look at. They seem to have some outdoor pottery and not a lot of items inside except for some kitchen utilities. So we'll see what we find when we get there. Shouldn't be much longer. We will be arriving. It's supposed to start at 9 o'clock today. We're probably an hour late, but we didn't need to get there right when they open. Sometimes there's a lineup when we do that. But then on the other hand, some of the good stuff gets cleared out immediately. So we'll find out what's happening when we get to the address. Lots of people. We walked up the driveway and the first thing I noticed was some garden stone statuary going out to a car. People must have gotten there early.
You know what? Yeah, I'm here for him too. Rodriguez on the Texas Tech team. Got my last name.
Well, that was a shortened excursion. We thought we'd see an exciting estate sale. They must have gotten there before 9 o'clock and lined up to start scavenging around. A stone Jesus, a painted chicken, and something else going into somebody's car. I walked inside, looked around. It was mostly clothing, nothing of interest to me. We got back to the car and some lady said, "Oh, you left empty-handed." And I said, "Well, not exactly." Found a working watch. Was able to set the time. The wristband looks in good shape. So I didn't exactly come back empty-handed, but nothing to be too excited about. Well, we got back from that estate sale a lot earlier than expected. Wasn't at all excited, not even worth setting up the camera for. When we first pulled up to the driveway there, we noticed people taking stone statuary out to their car. They must have lined up before 9 o'clock to start raiding the place. Unless the sale started yesterday, I don't know.
It probably opened the doors early today. It was only supposed to start today, but people were already claiming and moving things out. Mighty fast, mighty early.
So we got back to the car to leave and some lady said, "You're leaving empty-handed?" And I said, "Well, no, not exactly." Found myself a watch that's running and the band is in good shape. Can always use that for parts.